In this video, I will show you how to find a recording of a live class that you may have missed. Maybe you were absent from your 4th period algebra class yesterday. To find a video recording of that class, you can click on Courses and then find the one that you missed. Let's say Algebra Period 4 with Mrs. Shaw. I want to find the Collaborate Ultra recording, so I will find the Collaborate Ultra button on the left side and click there. I'm not going to join the session now. I'm going to click on this icon that kind of looks like a hamburger to expand the menu, and then select Recordings in order to find the video recordings of class. There are multiple recordings, so I need to figure out which one I'm interested in first. I will look at the date and the time and how long each video was. In this case, I can see this is from September 9th at 9:30, and then again at 9:48, 9:59, and 10:35. So this recording is broken up into pieces, so I could start from the beginning with this recording 1 to see the beginning of class and then watch the next 3 recordings when I'm done. Or maybe I was only late to class. Maybe I only need to watch the beginning. Either way, I click the title and select Watch Now. And it may take a few minutes to load, but that's okay, just be patient. Once that video loads, you'll be able to watch the whole thing, or you can click around to get to just the parts that maybe you missed. Good luck!